Woo! Woo! All right, y'all. Jason checking in, back at it. Our PB with this Joker is 99 miles an hour. Maybe we can beat that today. Got a little bit more room on this field today. Did some tuning and tweaking. Let's see what this beast can do. Hit track, start, give a little bit of a push, push, stop, read, 1 mile an hour, track, speed is registering. Start. Let's see what we can do. Let's go. Let's see what that was. Let's see what that baby was. GPS. Stop. Read. 104 miles an hour, guys. 104 miles an hour. This is just insane, yo. Wow. I'm telling you, these are kill racing wheels. The Hobby Wing systems, Hobby Wing motors, the Vidavon drive shaft brace. These Onyx lipos, man. Good Lord, man. That's 104. You see that, guys? 104 miles an hour. This is amazing. All right, man. We'll be back. We'll see y'all a little bit later. Okay? All right, y'all. All right, guys, we're back at it. Last pass was 104 miles an hour, which is insane. Let's just run it back. I don't know if the footage is good or whatever, but it is what it is. I know I got 104, so I don't really care. So we're gonna hit track, start, stop, read, 1 mile an hour, track, check out the speed register, start. Let's see if we can beat it, guys. She lifted. She lifted. All right, we're done for today. She lifted pretty crazy. She got airborne. Let's give it a break, okay? Let's just take the 104 and relax, okay? Let's see what speed she airlifted at. Stop. Read. That was 96 miles an hour she airlifted. Here she is, Losi 5iveB extended chassis, 104 miles an hour. We'll see y'all next time, and peace.